Hi guys, we're at home now. Just came back from a trip and look what's waiting for us in the mail. It's a 3D wooden travel map. So I ordered this. It's a company from Ukraine based in Kiev. It's a husband, wife, and a kid. So they did this project through Kickstarter and now it's being patented. So we wanted something to showcase our travels, and then when you see it, all the countries we've seen, we've visited, all the US states, Canadian provinces, and all the other places we've been to, it's nice to visualize on where you want to go next. So let's open this box. So now that we've done the map like a puzzle on the table, it will be easier for us to transfer to the wall. The package comes with the 3M adhesive. So we're just gonna put some adhesive here at the back and then we're gonna stick them on the wall. We'll start building. The finished product of our 3D wooden world map, and we have this country flags push pins that you can tack in the country that you've been to, and you can monitor the countries you've visited. So right now I'm just gonna put one in France because we've been to France. And then I'll put the one for Madrid, the flag of Spain, because we've been to Madrid before. And then I'm just gonna continue putting this in the countries we've visited, and see you at our next adventure.